In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Exness IB partner. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your Exness personal area, and then you want to go to your bottom right and you want to click on this button over here to open up the chat. Now what you want to do here is click on start a new chat, and you want to go and it's going to say welcome back, what would you like to help with today? So what you want to do is type in something like this: I'd like to change my Exness IB partner. Then click on this send button. It doesn't have to be any longer than this, and then this bot is going to start typing and it's going to give the instructions on exactly how to do this. Okay, so let's wait for this bot's response over here, and then I'll show you what you have to do. It takes literally like just 1 minute. It's super simple. There we go. This is the response. It's gonna say you are eligible to change your partner. Here's your unique change partner request link. You want to go and click on that, which is gonna open this link in a separate tab, and then to change the partner you want to follow these steps. You want to access this form by clicking on it, and then over here sections 1 and 2 are mandatory and 3 and 4 are optional. So when you open this, as you can see, these are sections 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 and 2 are mandatory, and then 3 and 4 are optional. Okay, so once you've done this, you have to type it in, the reason for change. For example, I'm gonna go and click on other reason over here. You can do, of course, your exact actual reason. Then you want to type in your partner's or new partner's link or wallet account number. So just type that in, enter it here. And if you want to go and tell them where you found your partner, you can type that in as well. And then, of course, leave a comment if you want to. Then just go and hit this submit button over here. And then, as it says, you can confirm your submission using the code sent to your security type. So it could be like an authenticator, email, phone number, or whatever you have set up. Just enter that in, press continue, and you'll be good to go. It also says that over here, your request will be processed within 3 business days, of course. And of course, you can track its status by using the link above, which we just clicked on. Okay, so that's essentially it, but this link is only valid for 7 days. So if you actually don't do this in 7 days, then you may have to request a new link. So that's really all there is to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.